Stan was trying to buy it. He's had it for like 6 months. Well, Stan says he might be selling it. Where? Okay, I see him. I haven't seen this one out here. Is that the same shifter? Oh, it's Haas. Haas does this in all his cars. There's Haas. He has that. This too, I think. So he's running that oiler like I have. I don't have it in the car, but I'm thinking of putting it in. Exact same setup. But I don't know where to put it. A lot of cars here today. Wow. Okay. So I almost bought this car from Tom back probably in the 80s, late 80s. And my ex-wife wouldn't let me buy it. And that's why she's an ex-wife. Whose is this? Yours?
That's his right there.
Who, the cowboy? So this is how I want to do the roll bar.
Yeah, this song runs. He says, what the hell back here?
But see how the roll bar is?
Yeah.
I don't want it like that, but I want it along the top. Yeah. That's cool. I see him at Eagle Field. And Tom was there when he was running last. But yeah, she wouldn't let me buy it. I wanted it. That's nice. Real nice. Real nice for 33. Damn, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Good, how are you?
Good.
Beautiful. Very beautiful.
I'm surprised you don't have bunks in the front of this thing.
That is so cool. That is so cool. I know. What is that he did that? It almost looks like a piece of an airplane. David. Okay, what's on the steering column on the other side? Go look. What's on the steering column?
Yeah? Air mattress.
Clutch of some sort, or shifter of some sort. Yeah, it's your shifter. Should be on
That's
the
a
floor.
shifter.
Doesn't matter
Okay.
sideways.
Okay. Well, that's
With a quick
yeah.
Quick shifter. But it all blends in. Looks nice the way you look.
Is that for keeping ants out of your?
Finally got in the truck.
Is it?
Brake fluid.
Oh, is what it is? Oh, it's a cap. Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. Look at David. Look at the roll bar on this side. Oh, I'm answering them all. I just a very ingenious build. Who did the trans cover? Is that an airplane part or something? God.
Just like the dash. That
Yeah.
dash is fabricated.
Did you do it?
No,
You could have lied
my
and said you
stepson-
did.
My stepson did it.
Everybody else here does.
No, My stepson did all this.
Oh, that's
There's
beautiful.
all pieces fabbed together and tigged together, and then he that's the same way. All this stuff.
Beautiful.
He's all this.
I mean, I'm getting ready to put a roll bar in. I'm thinking, how am I going to get this out of the way? And that's the way to do it right there.
yeah, you just bring it over and pin it.
Yeah, and then look at the windows.
Yeah,
You pull and drop it down.
yeah. On that side, I don't have a lock on it.
Yeah.
This-
Well,
you do.
less mechanical failures. That's for sure.
Yeah. The only electronics on the whole car is the rev limiter.
There's a rev limiter. Wow. And this is a 671.
It's a 671.
Okay.
That's all we could run back in the 60s.
Is this a 455?
No, it's a 394.
390.
They
394. You
quit
said?
making this just before the 425 came out and the 455. So they made this up to 63 and a half.
And what transmission is this?
Power glide.
Power glide?
Don't tell anybody, but it's.
Why not? That power glide's a winner.
I used to have a hydro in it.
A pre-oiler or is this overfull?
I was overflow.
Okay.
I don't have any accumulators. I wish I did.
How long you had the car?
Old enough.
That old, huh?
60 something years.
So, are you from around this area?
No, I'm from Colorado.
Okay, so
Actually, I sold the original car in '66 and built a AA street roadster.
we had a AA fuel altered.
And the street roadster had all those power and everything, and I wrecked it and damn near killed myself
Oh.
on the street roadster.
Whoa.
But I had sold this car, and so I went into other things. I got into the trucking business, and I moved to different areas. And when I retired, I said I'm going to rebuild that Willy's because it was a pretty well-known car in
Yeah.
Division 5. And we'd been to the Winter National and the U.S. National. We raced in Texas with it. We just did a lot of match racing with it.
So you know who you look like? A little like? Doug Cookie Cook. You know who he is?
I know Doug. Sure, raced him.
You know Mike just passed last week?
I was talking to Bones just a little bit ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. Matter of fact, when I was at Bakersfield last time, I got a picture of Cook and Bones measuring his car coming off the starting line. I did a blind auction, and they had that picture. I bid like $55 on it, and I won it. So I'm just happy that I'm client when I'm walking out, and I see who's sitting there but Mike Cook and Bones. I go, look at this shit. Bones said, you ought to have Mike sign that. Well, good idea. So I had Mike sign it, and he said, I'm going to sign it like my dad would do. The King. Doug Cook.
Right.
And then he put Mike Cook under it. And then he said, well, shit, you ought to have Bones sign it too. So I got Bones' signature on it.
So you seen the Moody car, right? 554, the old Hoffman and Moody. Hoffman,
Is it the front end car or the rear end?
No, the
434 coupe, it looks like.
the blue coupe.
Oh.
Was it 454 on it? 554.
Well, the 554.
So I had Mike gave me a picture of the guy who Moody, I guess, Moodyham, whose name was
Moodyham, not Moody.
Yeah, Moodyham, and to Mike that I have hanging in my house along with a bunch of other artwork that Mike gave me to sell. But that's a tough sell when people sign something and yeah, it's tough.
Well, how you doing, young man?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good.
You
thanks
been
for-
running the car?
Thanks for keeping that magazine going.
Getting tougher
I
and
haven't
tougher.
run the
Yeah.
car a lot.
Yeah.
I need
Okay.
a sponsor. You care?
Yeah.
Trying to get a sponsor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good luck.
Wow. Hold on, David. We got more. Hold on.